very long, so we can have 60 tons.
Okay.
We can take out 4 meters, I think.
Okay.
So we have 60 tons on total.
So that's the only reason you make long is for extra weight.
Yeah. And
Okay.
we looked at the new one standing out there.
Yeah.
This is the old one. I've sold it to Holland. I bought it new in 1979.
Okay.
And I had it for 10 years, I think, and sold it to a guy in Stryn, and bought it back when he was ready with it. So then I found a new box, a new old box.
Yeah.
It was very bad. It's not complete yet because we miss something here. We have to put on some lights. We have to do something here. But the main thing I have done with it. You cannot, not really, but new here, new seats. This is original. Over the motor is ordinary. You can go in if
Yeah. Yeah.
miss something in the top. So still working a little on it.
Yeah. Nice. You like to drive this one?
Yeah, yeah. That was my first real truck I have. It's a little too narrow here. Maybe we can go around. No, it's hopeless. Because this we had taken from. This is also my truck from 87.
Yeah.
And
Was the last of the
it
series?
was the first 142 with air suspension back and single wheel.
Yeah.
And this we are taking all the pieces out and paint it up, and also the motor.
So now it's finished, or?
Yeah, it's finished.
Yeah.
I can put plates on it this spring if I want.
Oh, nice.
And
you had this one, you owned it from new, and then
yeah,
did you sell it and buy it back
so,
again?
Yeah, I found it in the north of Norway.
Oh, nice.
But then it was really, really bad.
A lot of money.
Half motor, no interior, and it was red, a little rusty. And
who does all the restoration work for you?
this friends for me that work on the buses.
Okay.
We are about 20 person working together every Tuesday evening.
Okay.
So then we.
So and you do it here, or?
Yeah, there.
Okay. Hey. I see you fixed the lights.
Yes.
Everything's working now.
Yes.
Perfect. And where do you go now?
Industry med Hagen.
Okay.
And then
Okay. Nice to meet you anyway. Safe travels.
Yes.
Bye. It's funny if you just